Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. I am going to be working on my pantry. I've done a little bit of work to it, but it's just a mess. It just doesn't want to stay organized, and so I have some ideas. I have some things I want to do. I'm going to start pulling some stuff out, put it over here on my island. I'm going to show y'all a few of the things I bought, and I'm going to bring y'all along while I redo this pantry. So I hope y'all will enjoy. So let's get started. Okay y'all, I'm gonna start taking stuff out of the pantry and putting it over here onto my island to begin with.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like.
Okay y'all, I want to show y'all, I should have showed y'all before I started pulling stuff out and I forgot. So on this very top up here, this is stuff that I barely use or overstock, I guess you could say. I have like gravy mixes and things like that, just kind of, as you can see. This was where my cereal and chips and things were, which I have now moved all over here. And then randomness there. But I bought something to go right here, and I'm gonna show it to y'all. I hope this right here will work. This is a household organizer, has 6 shelves, and it hangs over the door. So I'm gonna put that on my pantry door. And my plan is up here, I'm gonna move y'all up a little bit, just a second. This is where all of my spices are. So my goal is maybe to empty out the spices onto that. So, yeah. So I think actually, yeah, we'll get started with that in just a second. So. Okay, y'all. I never know what to say on these voiceovers. Right now, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just putting the cereal into these containers, and I would actually like to have a bunch of these, but I tend to be kind of a cheapskate. I'm like, I love them, but at the same time, I don't want to buy a whole bunch because I'm like, oh, that's too much money. I mean, I know I'm not the only one. You know, comment down below, let me know. I'm not the only one who would like all these organizers and things, but dang, it can get expensive, especially in my house because we always end up buying way too much cereal. We love cereal though. Anyways, yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory what I'm doing right here. So now I'm just kind of cleaning inside these cabinets. And yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing. Cleaning, organizing, putting things in containers, and I'll hop on here every now and then and say a word or two.
Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Okay, y'all. I just thought I'd get on here and talk a little bit. Have y'all seen some of the pantries out there? I mean, I would love one of those walk-in pantries where you can put all of your appliances in there, like all your small appliances. Plus, you can put all of your food, and it has like counters, and oh man, there's so many awesome pantries. I mean, I'm proud and happy of the one I have. I'm thankful for it. But man, there are some really nice ones out there. Okay, y'all, see these crackers right here? I believe I'm pronouncing them right. I think they're called Solitas or something. They're like a Mexican type cracker. And I know it sounds funny, but those crackers, y'all, are so good. Like, they're better than any saltine cracker that you can buy. My husband introduced me to those because he has family from Mexico, and they're so good. Oh, and these right here, Special K, y'all. I love Special K bars. These are like my go-to in the mornings. Well, lately they haven't been because I've been slacking and eating bad stuff, but these are normally what I like in the morning with coffee because they're only 100 calories. So they're good, y'all, if you've never tried them. Okay, now I'm finally getting in and opening up this box for this household organizer. I got it at Walmart, and I'm thinking it was around $30 or so. And it was very easy to put together, and it came with these little command strips that, because you hang it over the door, and it came with command strips so you can stick it to the door, but it also came with screws, and it had the little anchors also. And at first I didn't use those, but as it hung up, the sticky command strips was not working anymore. So my husband ended up going in and screwing it into the door, which you'll see a little bit later in the video that we did end up screwing it in. But this was really easy to put together. I did it. It didn't take me very long. So that's what I'm doing now.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
And y'all, I love this little organizer. It really freed up a lot of space. I love, you'll see in a little bit how I put all of my spices over here, because in my other cabinet, I was always having to dig in behind stuff. Even with the little Lazy Susan spinner things, there was always stuff that was in the middle, or if it fell off of there, I was always looking for it. And this way, I just love it. I recommend it.
I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I
Again, I'm gonna apologize. I am horrible at doing voiceovers. I never know what to say, but then at the same time, I don't know if people like to just watch without anything, so I thought I would say a little bit. Let me know down in the comments below, do you like more voiceovers? Do you like just the music and just let y'all watch and just leave you alone? Y'all, I'm about to fall over. I somehow lost the footage of completing my pantry. I went to edit this and it wasn't completed. So this is actually a couple weeks later, but I will show y'all the completed pantry. Now I will tell you in the video, you'll see that I used, you may be able to still see them, command strips that came with it, but it kept coming off. So my husband, okay y'all, my battery died, so I don't know where it stopped. But anyways, my husband ended up taking the screws that were included in this and he put them, screwed it to this door, so now it's sturdy. So I took all of my spices that were in the little spice cabinet and now I have them on these little shelves, and I actually like them. At first my husband's like, how are you gonna like that going back and forth? But usually I try to pull out all the spices I need for whatever recipe. Every now and then I might think of something, have to run over here, but it's not that big of a deal. And then I also have like extra condiments that we bought.
Hey, there's me.
Like I buy, you know, some extra stuff, and I've got those up there.
This is pretty heavy duty too.
Yep. And then, of course, I didn't do any changes to that top. I keep like my crackers and pasta. I got these containers on Black Friday and I love them. And then in here is all of our like boxed meals and things like macaroni and cheeses or any box meals. Yeah. Like and then my husband went to Dollar General and come home with a bunch of macaroni and cheese. Yeah, when we were having the snowstorm, I guess. And then I have Special K bars. We have all of our ramen noodles, packages of instant potatoes and gravy mixes. I just have those actually stacked. And in case you're wondering, I bought these at Dollar General. I'm not Dollar General, sorry, Dollar Tree. I love these little things. Now, we might have a problem with chips.
We have a lot of chips.
We
and
do.
Underneath here is all of our nut stuff that
Yes, that they sent us.
And cereals.
And I had went and I bought, y'all seen that I bought these, but they work really good, but then my husband went and bought a bunch more cereal.
So, it's okay.
And then there's the crackers y'all seen me earlier do.
Over here we have our Herbalife protein stuff and some more protein and salad stuff.
And this little thing, in case y'all, I'll show y'all this. This is like, I think supposed to be for papers. Here, Courtney,
yeah,
I'll
we put
I use
our
it
bacon
for,
bits,
yeah.
our croutons, French fried onions.
I like French fried onions in my salad, so.
Yeah, we got that from our family up and down, up in the Texas area. They did that in their salad. They did it in their salad.
The Dallas area?
Yeah, in the Dallas area.
Dallas. I didn't know if you wanted me to say that. Okay, we have some Pop-Tarts for breakfast. We also have these like little Gatorade
My husband found there's a store that sells a lot of stuff like really cheap, and he said, I'm going to try these.
They don't eat them very often.
I don't
We
know.
have them.
I don't want them.
Some candelita.
However you say it. My husband
Like,
really likes those. They're good, though.
They're cinnamon cookies. And then these are like some like what?
She's going to show you all the food.
Okay, well, okay, we're not going to show them.
But anyways, that's
These
where
are
we
just
have a
all
lot of
snacks. And over here we have popcorn. And snacks and all kinds of stuff.
And these containers, this one,
These are so cute.
this came from Dollar Tree, and this one came from Walmart.
This is a rose gold, that's a gold.
But most of my containers came from Dollar Tree, with the exception of this one, the white one. Those came from Walmart.
They're really good too. Down
Now-
here, we have, we have like different things that we
I
use.
forgot to straighten this up. Okay, these shelves, by the way, y'all, came from Walmart. and I can't remember how much they were. They were inexpensive. They weren't bad at all. So I got these 2, and they actually fit pretty good. There's a little gap in between, but that's all right. And then, Courtney, I keep a lot of stuff crammed in here. These are some water containers, napkins, my vacuum. I keep like my sugar, flours, teas, rye. And this is where the majority of our canned goods are, and I try to group them, you know, with the like things. And then down here on the very bottom is my bread maker. I have, hey, when we get extra sauces and things, we just take them home and we just collect them and use them.
Charcoal, all soaps.
Yeah, and then all kinds of stuff. Extra paper extra paper plates.
Sauce for my new Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, we finally got a Chick-fil-A. And then just another little vacuum I never use, and a stepping stool that I always forget about. But that is this. And then I'm going to show y'all, walk over here. This was my spice cabinet, y'all, and I kept this little spinner thing. This stuff used to be above my stove, and so now I have like all of my oils.
It was kind of hard for me to sometimes.
Yeah, and then my salt and pepper if you just want the shaker. This is some baking stuff, and then up here is like kind of like some more baking stuff and things we don't use as much. Sprinkles, cupcake holders. Okay, and then this is where I have some more baking stuff. And then I actually have some room. I can put some more stuff up here if I want, and some bowls, my hand mixer. So yeah, that is our little, and then of course this is my area where I always cook in case you just wanted to see. And I recently moved my mixer back over here. I had been keeping it over behind this little chalkboard. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.